Every Coloradan at least 16 years old will be eligible for a vaccine later this week. Our Karen Lee joining us now with more. Karen, our vaccine rollout seems to be well ahead of the national timeline.
Yeah, Jim, it sure does, doesn't it? As you mentioned, starting Friday, anyone in Colorado, ages 16 and up, can get that shot in the arm. So some great news coming out today. That's nearly a month ahead of the federal timeline for this. President Biden says all states must make the vaccine available to the general public by May 1st. For Coloradans, April 2nd is a date to look forward to. Jeff Todd with more on this next phase for us joins us tonight from Ball Arena. And Jeff, this is such wonderful news. It is the state's last major vaccination site there, and it'll be open all this week.
Karen, one of the reasons that the state has gotten into the business of operating these big drive-up facilities is because 400,000 doses each week are coming into the state, but places like pharmacies, hospitals, healthcare facilities, they're all maxed out with appointments, and so the state has opened these to get more shots in more arms.
Each vaccine is a step closer to getting back to normal. And these 6 sites are going to be a big part of that.
As large-scale sites like this one at Dick's Sporting Goods Park become more efficient to add to the state's vaccination routine, Monday, Governor Polis said he was removing restrictions for vaccinations starting at the end of the week.
For those, everybody 16 and up will be eligible for the Pfizer vaccine, everybody 18 and up for the Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Those are the ages that they're approved for by the FDA.
The governor said the state is moving forward because so many people over the age of 60 have been vaccinated, and over the next few weeks, other clinics targeting frontline and essential workers are already planned. So now it's time for the general public.
This is a really important step that Colorado will be taking.
But he admitted it won't be quick, potentially taking until late May to let everyone who wants a shot get a shot.
That can be a frustrating 6 to 8 weeks for the people that are in week 6 or week 7 or week 5.
And there's another time issue between how quickly millions more can get vaccinated and now stagnant numbers of high coronavirus case counts.
Every day we're getting closer to ending the pandemic, but it is not over yet. Please, if you haven't been vaccinated especially, wear a mask.
One issue many people may run into is finding an appointment. The governor said today that those are really only released a few days ahead of time because the amount of doses coming into the state really fluctuates. So it may be a few weeks of people sitting in front of their computers and watching appointment websites try and load. We're live in Denver tonight. Jeff Todd covering Colorado First.